GlamDollz, I'm here today to share with you all some at-home spa essential items I scored from my local Dollar Tree. I'm going to start by digging in these bags. That's what's going to make this as much fun for me as it should be for you, waiting to see what at-home spa essentials did MGA find in Dollar Tree this time. Yep. I want to start out by showing you the microfiber hair wraps that I picked up again. Loves these to death, okay? These are the microfiber hair wraps. These are towels that's used for your hair. And it helps to reduce the amount of water that your hair retains. And these work amazingly well for me. It cuts my blow drying time down like almost half of what the time it usually would take, because these really absorb the water out of my hair. Now, I gotta start off by telling you this ahead of time. If you have extremely thick hair, this may not work for you. But if you have normal, you know, normal density type hair, natural hair, whatever, this will work well for you. And these are the microfiber towel, hair wrap towels. And I got it in the color lavender. And I got the cutest ever turquoise blue. So I got that right there. Now, sticking along still with the same spa essentials, to match the microfiber hair towels, I picked up the headbands. Yes, I picked up these headbands right here. These are the microfiber headbands. I like to use this when I'm doing my spa treatments at home, or like when I'm doing my makeup or whatever. I put the headband on, you know, to get the hair away from my face. These are excellent and they're not abrasive, you know, on your skin or whatever. So that's why I love using these. And to match the headbands along with the microfiber towels, I picked up the microfiber washcloths. I know y'all like all this microfiber. I'm gonna get to why, but look, I got the matching washcloth right here. A gorgeous little geometric looking print, and then I got the stripes right here, and it's 2 to a pack. So on the back is a solid color, which is the turquoise blue, and this is the lavender color right here. And to go along with it, like I said, I got the matching headband that goes along with that one, and the matching headband that goes along with this one right here. And these are the sets, which in turn is also going to match the head towels just the same. So now, the reason why I went in on buying so much microfiber, especially the washcloth, these are makeup removing washcloths, and why I use these, you know, is because they're not abrasive on your skin when removing the makeup. Now, once I actually remove all of my makeup, and I'll take my regular face wash of choice that I'm using, I'll add this onto the microfiber washcloth while it's wet, lather it in, and this helps me to remove all the makeup from my pores and out the crevices and whatnot. And like I said, it's not abrasive on your skin. So this is definitely suitable for the sensitive skin, just like myself. So got that right there. Absolutely love microfiber washcloths. Facts. Speaking of washcloths, now this was new. I don't know if it's going to work yet, but it was new in my local Dollar Tree. These are the disposable 100% cotton cleansing cloth that looks like this right here. You're getting 24 in a pack. And with these, you can use this on even the most sensitive skin types, is what it says. And you know what's great about these is you use it once, you throw it away. So you don't have to worry about any of the harmful bacteria developing on your washcloth. And you get 24 in a pack for this one. So super, super, super excited to have found that. Moving right along, still on the spa essentials, I picked up a new bath sponge loofah. So I got this right here, and what I'm loving about this is, if you are familiar with getting these, you know these type of sponges gently exfoliate your skin while you're bathing. Yes, that's why I love this. So I got it in the gorgeous purple color to, you know, offset the purple-esque looking color to go with this one right here. I got it to match, and I love using these just the same. And this helps my body wash to lather very, very generously, even if I use like soap with this. So for some reason, when I add the soap in here and I lather it, I don't know what this does or why it does what it does, but whatever product I put in here for bathing with, it helps it to lather very, very generously. Okay, so happy to have gotten that. And I love it so much that I got the pack that has the white and, like I said, the other color to match the towel right here. Although this is a little bit darker, you get the contrast, right? Loves it to pieces. Got that. And let me see what else. Okay, moving on to the next bag of goodies. So still with the at-home spa essentials, I picked up some Spoongefuls deep cleansing exfoliating sponges that's dual-sided for exfoliating and moisturizing your skin all at the same time. Bloop. So anyhow, if you're not familiar with the Spoonful, this is infused with apricot and green tea. It is a soap scrub and it gives you 7 uses to 1 sponge. So this is pre-filled with the exfoliating ingredients that you're going to need to help smooth out and exfoliate your skin, as well as the built-in moisturizer to help keep your skin silky soft when you get out from bathing. So on the back of this right here, it tells you this helps to remove dirt, oil, toxins. It massages and hydrates your skin. It's suitable for all skin types, okay? And it's paraben free. Okay, paraben free, no harmful additives or anything like that. No animals was used to create this product too. And it's latex free. And you want the icing on the cake? Do you want the icing on the cake for why you should get more than one of these? Now remember, you're going to get 7 uses to 1 sponge. But let me tell you the most important reason for why you should get this. You want to know? Bacteria resistant. I know. I was floored when I saw it in there for just $1. And it says it right there on the packaging. Bacteria resistant. I also picked up the refreshing aromatherapy one. This is infused with grapefruit and peppermint soap. But this one right here, this smells incredible, okay? Spoonfuls, like right there. So that was those 2 right there. I picked up another spoonful. This one is infused with grapeseed and honey. Again, the same type of experience that I just showed you from before with the first one. So that's this one right here, that one right there. And I also picked up the stress reducing aromatherapy version, which is infused with lavender and vanilla. And this also helps you to sleep more calmly at night. So this is the aromatherapy one, and like I said, this is the lavender and the vanilla. It looks like that right there. And just in case you happen to have a baby or a young one in the household, hello, they even have one for toddlers and young children. Look at that right there, mild and gentle. And this is the body wash and spa, and it's infused with soothing aloe vera. So even for your baby's most delicate skin, the most delicate skin of all, they got you covered. So just in case if you have a baby in the household, or if you know of someone who recently just had a baby, that baby deserves its own little spa day in its own little bathtub. So you can definitely pick this up too. And like the ones for adults, you can get these for you can use these for 7 washes. You're getting 3 in a pack. So yeah, I don't know if you can see it. Can you see it right there? You get, not the glare, I don't want to get the glare on you, 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. And like I said, it has aloe vera in it, and these expand when they get wet. So they look small right here, but once you lather them up, they're going to expand and get wet. And on that note, that just conclude the video. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and if you haven't yet subscribed to Miss GlamDollz YouTube channel, child, hit that subscribe button. Join in on this amazing official GlamDollz community. If you're a newbie passing through, my name is Glam. All the official GlamDollz in this community, and when I say official, that means subscribe GlamDollz. They call me MGA. I'm all about being a beauty on a budget who love not breaking bank for a fabulous look. So when you subscribe into this community, that is the exact content you're going to get, is me sharing fab beauty on a budget finds that you won't have to break your bank for, like these at-home spa essentials. For real, this concluded the video. Thanks again for taking the time to watch this video. Don't forget now, we still gonna have to stay socially connected. I am on Facebook, I'm on Instagram, and I'm on Twitter with more beauty alerts and Fab Beauty on a Budget finds. And I will see you all in another video again shortly. Later, dolls.